Dah gajing temu ban peniat biang syakamat ya ke projek Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme ke benta ke balai. Na ke benta ban penbiang ya ke umbam umdi igipat ba akanong ba Shillong. Menteri Sorkar ke jelau bakmi ya ke tenat PHE uba Renikton lengdok tongkar ha kahinyau terik guleber hajar arpuar. Ulalu me kejingelang pada tai halor kania balasyim ikarai ban Pyndep ikan ke projek hapo Nailur menta ke senem. Ha gani kejingelang ke belalum de ubak Renikton lengdok tongkar lawan banishim benta de chief engineer ke PHE ki he engineer bat ki kontraktor ki bapenteri ke projek hagis nem ki belalai. Habai kran bagi nong tok kubor ubak Renikton lengdok tongkar ulong ba kejingelang kelalong ke babiang batla syemekarai bagi kontraktor shen kin sedang biang ban peniat syakamat ya ke projek Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme ke benta ke balai. Bala buat thong men Pyndep ke projek ha Nailur ke senam hajar arpuar. Ulong bawa lah gejik sena Pyndep ke projek kelas lem lupa hendrai udap da gejing sengotenat bagi kontraktor kilarai ban sedang nok mardor ban teri kambiang bat ke Sorkar kilarai ru ban ai gejing kersan kumbelapan degi kontraktor kenang bikin lak ban teri nok mardor ya kakam. Ubak Renikton ulapan ru ya kejingnya terilang nak dorbar senong bat kirang bak senong. Kenang ban peniat igi pipe namar kiladon ki cap bagi don ki senong ki bam syemlasha ya katenat PHE ne ya ki kontraktor ban ya chakmat bagajing trei jongki. Bat ukermen scam manang ne chakmat kin ai kejingnya terilang bat kin syaru ya katenat bat ki kontraktor ban sedang ban trei no ekakam bat bakan mi syu kanu kejing e. Ke Sorkar klasyem ru ekarai ban kentio no ekador ha kajing pentrei ke projek bat lamang sa hendreu pusan Klur Tyngka kenang ban la ban Pyndep no ya kene projek bat la ban kedauru ba uba Renikton ulong ba on rat dalum setia kene kejingelang radai ba kimpat kentio temai ya kesong Tyngka namar ki kontraktor kem trek ban trei kakam ha kedor kebarim.
And we have come up to the decision to speed up the work and to ensure that we complete this work on time. Even though it's already very, very late, but I'm happy to see that the contractors today, they have expressed and they are all determined to resume back the work immediately. So we have also understood their problem for which they wanted the support from the department. And we have come to the conclusion that the officers, the concerned officers, will give all the support to the contractors to enable them to start the work immediately. And I would request also all the village darbars, the headmen, the localities, wherever the work, the pipe has to go through, I would request their support as well. Because we understand that there are problems sometimes that the headman or the village authority did not allow, the department did not allow the contractors to carry on the work. So I will request that it's the need of all the people staying in Shillong city, and I hope that people will understand that and they will cooperate to allow the department and the contractors to execute, to start the work. So I will request PWD also to cooperate, as they have already cooperated with us. I hope now there will be no problem and we will be able to resume back to the work and to complete. Today in this meeting, we had discussion also that practically up to when we can complete this work. I'm happy to see not the pressure from the department, but the contractors themselves, they had expressed that we can complete this work before September. So I'm very, very happy, and we have unanimously decided that we'll complete this work by September of this year.
Ba man sa kala don ka jingdawa dengan ki kontraktor ban penkiu no ne ban enhance kata kariet jong kana ka jingtrai kai ka fia decide halor kan ya bot kai ka ba raja pat habai le bot katna tu marbang soto man suaro kam sana ai permission
Pia kabide berkenika revise lada kamdon kenika revision banjok sanction ni kenika revise estimate le se kanam long madikren kontraktor kim don shu ban trai tan dei hadin baka Sorkar kala adap sanction ya ka revise estimate dei ta kadawing la khot biang kontraktor bat ka long biang ji kren bakin train obiang hadin bagi la sanction ya ka revise estimate na kaling pludi mensual se kadon kum kita dei mentar ling pludi kala cooperate na kaling department ru ila nang siu kapisa haka pludi ban repair biang kini surok haka bakin damage haka bakin du da kajing trai ya kini ki pipeline te ngila don haka jing ya trelang mata pludi ru
tidak pun bertai pak kumbakat no kan ka jing revise ka poi kata ka percentage na perno sekat
Ka total amount ka ba la sanction ni ka riba estimate ka di kuman 1,000 crore ni 1,000 crore ka di 1,000 crore 1,000 crore ka ba la sanction ya ka riba estimate